Yo, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Tufix and today's video I will react to Rofu vs Rogue Wave for the Grand Beatbox Battle 2021. It is a semi-final battle. Yep, another semi-final battle. Actually, I'm very excited to react. So, let's go. So let's go.
Yo.
You ready? You ready? One half river, one half collapse. Can I get an ooh la la? Coming to the stage, make some noise for Rogue Wave.
Yeah.
Wiggle and collapse.
Versus
Vice champion for the solo.
representing for Japan.
Japan, let's go.
Give it up for Rofu. Everyone, semi-final right here live in direct, Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 World League Edition. We have Rogue Wave versus Rofu. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you again, are you ready? Rogue Wave ranked higher and chose Rofu to go first. So you already know the deal. I say the San, you say the Ni and the Ichi. Ladies and gentlemen, San!
Hello, we are Rogue Wave from France. No, we are from Japan. Fatality. Mortal Kombat! Mortal Kombat! Mortal Kombat! Excellent. KO. Liu Kang. Rhythm. Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. Mortal Kombat! お前はもう死んでいる。
Yeah, you can use the thing like
Time, switch!
Okay, once, so are you ready to play with me? Whenever I do this with my arm, you say, ah, like this, perfect. Ah, let's go. Que negro mi destino. Ay, Dios, solo llegan mis quejas. Ay, que negro mi destino. Ay, Dios, solo llegan mis quejas.
times. Switch.
No. Yeah, they are cool. So good. So good. But we are better.
don't even
We
know
are
the
not looking for make some
This
noise.
paper.
Yo. Do you know Smash Brothers?
And that's time. Switch.
Oh my god.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You're coming out your shell. Within yourself. Tell me what must I do to tell my love? Cause luckily I'm good at treating. I wouldn't bug you, but it won't stop teasing. And we can dance all day around it. If you want it, I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream it, shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry.
Tied. Rogue Wave, Rofu. If you enjoyed the battle, make some noise. That being said, only one can head to the finals. We go to our esteemed judging panel. Judges, this side for Rogue Wave.
It's gonna be a winner.
This side for Rofu.
Oh my god.
Heading to the finals, Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 Tag Team. I say the three, y'all say the two, and the one crowd. In 3. Rogue Wave. Ladies and gentlemen, you can keep cheering for Rofu right now, though.
Yo, we're Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our video at the Grand Beatbox Battle 21.
If you liked our stuff, you can follow us on Instagram at roguewave.bbx. We hope to see you there.
To see you
Esh.
again.
We are the Roosevelt.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Please check our Instagram, and Twitter, and YouTube, and
Oh my god. Oh my god, I really enjoy this. Oh my god. Woo. So much fun with this team. My god. But Rogue Wave, the second round. Oh my god. What a nice combination. Oh my god. Can't wait for next battle. Yeah. Woo. Anyway, what a nice battle. Okay? Yeah. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, what a nice battle. Oh my god. I see you guys in the next video. Peace.